Tomato. Fun facts about tomatoes. Botanically a fruit. Despite being used in savory dishes, tomatoes are technically fruits. Ancient origins. Tomatoes originated in South America, specifically the Andes Mountains, thousands of years ago. European skepticism. When tomatoes were first introduced to Europe, they were often believed to be poisonous. A colorful variety. Tomatoes come in a wide range of colors, including red, yellow, orange, green, purple, and even black. A lycopene powerhouse. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to various health benefits. Space-grown. Tomatoes have been successfully grown in space, demonstrating their adaptability to extreme environments. Tomato fights. The Spanish town of Bunal hosts an annual tomato fight festival called La Tomatina, where thousands of people throw tomatoes at each other. A Guinness World Record. The Guinness World Record for the largest tomato plant produced over 32,000 tomatoes in a single year. A versatile ingredient. Tomatoes are used in countless dishes, from salads and sauces to soups and sandwiches. A popular crop. China is the world's largest producer of tomatoes. Benefits of tomatoes: a nutrient-packed powerhouse. Tomatoes, often considered a vegetable but botanically a fruit, are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that offer numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key advantages of incorporating tomatoes into your diet. 1. Rich in antioxidants. A lycopene. This carotenoid gives tomatoes their vibrant red color and has been linked to various health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and stroke. Beta-carotene, another antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body, promoting healthy vision and immune function. 2. Heart health. Lowers cholesterol. The potassium in tomatoes helps regulate blood pressure, and the antioxidants may contribute to lower cholesterol levels. Reduces risk of heart disease. Regular tomato consumption has been associated with a decreased risk of heart disease and stroke. 3. Cancer prevention. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in tomatoes, especially lycopene, have been studied for their potential to reduce the risk of certain cancers, including prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. 4. Digestive health. High in fiber. Tomatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes regularity, and supports gut health. 5. Vision health. Protects against macular degeneration. The antioxidants in tomatoes, including lycopene and zeaxanthin, may help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration. 6. Skin health. The antioxidant benefits. The antioxidants in tomatoes can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, contributing to a healthier complexion. 7. Nutrient-dense. Vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamins A, C, K, and B vitamins, as well as minerals like potassium and copper, which are essential for overall health. To maximize the benefits of tomatoes, consider these tips. Cooked tomatoes. Cooking tomatoes, especially with a bit of healthy fat like olive oil, can increase the bioavailability of lycopene. Variety. Enjoy tomatoes in various forms, such as raw, cooked, canned, or in sauces. Moderation. While tomatoes are generally healthy, consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. By incorporating tomatoes into your meals, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious food that offers numerous health benefits. Tomato-inspired meal ideas. Tomatoes are a versatile ingredient that can be used in countless dishes. Here are some delicious ideas to get you started. Salads and appetizers. Caprese salad. A classic combination of fresh mozzarella, ripe tomatoes, and basil, drizzled with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Tomato bruschetta. Grilled bread topped with diced tomatoes, basil, garlic, and olive oil. Gazpacho. A cold Spanish soup made with tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, onion, garlic, and bread. Main courses. Tomato sauce pasta. A versatile dish that can be customized with your favorite pasta shape and protein. Grilled tomato and cheese sandwiches. A simple but delicious sandwich made with grilled bread, sliced tomatoes, and your favorite cheese. Tomato soup and grilled cheese. A comforting classic that's perfect for a cold day. Tomato braised chicken or beef. A flavorful and hearty dish that's easy to make. Sides and sauces. Roasted tomatoes. Sweet and savory. Roasted tomatoes can be served as a side dish or used in sauces. Tomato-based sauces. Use tomatoes to make marinara sauce, salsa, or a tangy barbecue sauce. Tomato salad. A simple salad made with diced tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and a vinaigrette dressing. There are many more tomato meals. Tomato risks. A balanced perspective. While tomatoes are generally considered healthy and nutritious, there are a few potential risks to be aware of. Allergic reactions. Rare. Some individuals may be allergic to tomatoes. Symptoms: skin rash, hives, swelling, difficulty breathing. Prevention. If you experience any allergic symptoms after eating tomatoes, consult a healthcare professional. Acid reflux. Tomatoes are acidic, which can trigger heartburn or acid reflux in people with these conditions. Consult a healthcare professional. Overall, tomatoes are a valuable addition to a healthy diet. By being mindful of these potential risks and consuming them in moderation, you can enjoy their nutritional benefits without any negative consequences. Thank you.